These are the elevators at the Heyburn building, Louisville, Kentucky. Look at this. Ah, they're mine on the inside. Oh well. Go up to 17. Oh, original COP right here. More CEDER elevators. Going up?
Going up.
What floor?
13.
Unlucky.
I think this is the only building in the city of Louisville with a 13th floor.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I'm just taking a ride on these vintage elevators.
When you get off, the vending machines are right here. If you look over here, used to be the old controls. They got all the numbers and stuff listed.
That is so cool.
It is.
Thanks for letting me know.
You're welcome.
Have a nice day. I really hope I don't get a copyright claim for the music. Whoa! It stopped, then dropped a bit. You can hear the generator. Look, there's your interlock. Let's get a cab view while we're up here. You can tell these are the original cabs because, like, as you see, that was the door that allowed you to hop elevator cars if it were to break. And also notice how the door's not quite in the center. There's your added Adams COP. So yeah, you can tell these used to be manual elevators. There's your indicator. Let's get a look at these beautiful fixtures. CEDER elevator. I'm not sure what kind they are. Got an ADA phone.
You'll take on if you start trying to do another shuffle for July, or you gonna wait till August, or what you gonna do? I know you're talking about pressing events in
Lobby. Wee. Look at that. Those are your arrows. These things are awesome. There used to be a company globe down there. All right, down to 1. I love that bell. And as you can see, the arrow lights up here. Fire service. Again, Adams fixtures there. These things are a blast. I just have to say that. Look at that annunciator. We'll take another ride up. Wow, that's one hard start. I'm gonna get off once we get up to the top. Wow. These are fun. And we'll get a look out here. Look at this. Very cool old elevators. Lots of elevators too in this place. Oh wow, look at this. Not sure if there's a light in here. But look at this. Here's a manual freighter. It looks like it's probably an American elevator too. It's a little dirty, but look at that. Look at that. I'm gonna go down. Once I get down, I'm gonna ask security if I can take a ride on it. But anyway, let's call it down. See, you got your added Adams buttons there. See, this is all added, but you know what? Just for the heck of it, while I'm up here, I'm gonna get a still photo of that. You can hear the generators for the other elevators. That is really cool. Okay. Let's call one down. I love that button. No bell. All right, down to one. One there. Since this one is a different cab, we'll get a look at it. Yeah, these were originally American elevators. Oh, I love that bell. And we'll get out here. See this car up. This building is really, really cool. CEDER Traffic Master. Wow. That is epic. Anyways, there they go. And that's gonna be it.